Hello everyone. Today we have Umang Kaushal with us. She has finally converted IIM Bangalore. Congrats, Umang. How are you feeling?
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, I am feeling very good. I'm literally on cloud nine right now.
Okay. So it must be a good
Yes, sir.
relief to convert one of the best B schools in the country, right?
Yes, sir. So it was my best call, and so yes, I'm glad that I've converted it.
Okay. Tell us something about your CAT prep journey. What were your academics and how did you start your preparation? When did you think of starting the preparation?
Okay, so sir, I have graduated in civil engineering from NIT Hamirpur in 2024,
Okay.
and after that, in my final year, I had a thought in my mind that I'll prepare for CAT. So but I didn't give the CAT in 2024. So after my graduation, I decided to completely focus on the journey, CAT prep journey. And my academics were 998. And I was also the board toppers from in both the classes, class 10 and class 12 in my state board. And so, yes, when I was looking for some online coaching platform, so I came across Mindworks and decided to join it. And after that, I managed to get calls from one of the best P school, Bangalore. So yes, sir.
Okay, great, great, great. So, tell me, everybody has a weak section and a strong section, right? And
Yes, sir.
there is a different strategy how you tackle the weak part. So, what was your weak section in these three?
Okay. So I would say my weakest section was LIDR for sure, because
Hmm.
in the very starting I wasn't even able to solve a single set.
Okay.
So
So how did
okay,
you
so
tackle
it
how did you manage to achieve success in that section?
So I decided to completely focus on that part firstly because I knew I'll score good at my strongest section was quants, and in VARC I was also doing great. So my weakest section was only DILR. So I knew if I fumbled, then surely it is going to be in this section only. So I started solving sets. Firstly, in around September month, I started solving 5 sets per day, and then increased it to 10 sets,
Per
and I
day.
did this for about 1 month, and after that I get a hand in this section and I was able to solve this.
Okay. So roughly how many sets you must have solved in DILR?
Okay, so um uh,
If you consider the most
200 to 300, sir.
200 to
About 300 sets.
300.
Yes, sir.
That is what I tell students also that you have to solve around 250 300 sets to get that comfort level that okay, anything which comes in the CAT exam, at least you will be able to solve three sets out of them. So that is
Yes,
something
sir.
which you have done, right? Great, great. And what was your
Yes, sir.
strength? I think quants was your strength, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So okay,
I
so
am an engineering student,
okay,
so
quants
I
must be easy for
yes, sir.
you. Okay. So
Yes.
how did Arun sir's core videos help you? Did you go through the core videos?
Yes, sir. I've gone through those all the videos, I would say, because at first I am a more kind of pen and paper type person. I would write each and every question on the paper, then solve it. But after watching the core videos, the triggers and reactions that Arun sir always talk about, they come into my mind, and I started seeing the questions from a different mindset. Instead of solving it step by step, all those tips and tricks helped me a lot during my whole preparation, and even in my final D day.
Okay, okay, okay. Fine. So, you were fully preparing for CAT after graduation. Roughly how
Yes,
many
sir.
hours were you devoting on a daily basis?
Around 6 to 7 hours.
6 to 7 hours. That included
Yes,
the
sir.
classes also? Classes and sessions
No, sir. Apart from classes.
apart from classes. Okay. So it
Yes.
is, I think, a good indication for people who are not in college and who have ample time at the end that at least you should devote 6 to 7 hours per day of self-study because that is what I tell
Yes, sir.
students also that the number of hours you spend in practice that is what matters. How many classes you
Yes.
have done, how many live videos you have watched, that is just a concept building thing. But actual problem solving skill will start only when you start practicing and solving questions, right? And that is
Yes.
something which you
Yes,
have
sir.
proven with your hard work. So good on that. And when we talk about interviews which you gave, so let's talk about IIM
Yes,
Bangalore
sir.
interview. What was the toughest question you faced in this interview?
Okay, sir. So IIM Bangalore interview was my best interview, and I was able to give all the answers. And
Okay.
I was sure that after coming out of the room, I was sure that I will surely convert it.
Okay. Any tricky
For
question you
me,
faced?
yes, sir.
Anything?
There were so many interviews, stress interviews, I would say.
Okay.
My first interview was Lucknow, and at that interview, I was just thinking I have to go out of this room because it
Okay.
was in 23rd January, I guess, and they were what we say in full grilling mode. They even told me that you have wasted a seat in your NIT, now you are going to waste a seat in IIM. So it demotivated me a lot, and it was my first interview. But after that, I made up my mind what worse can happen than that.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
basically, so I think Lucknow's results are still not out. Let's hope that you convert
Yes, sir.
that and give us that belief that okay, even if there's a stress interview, a person can handle it and can convert it. So
Yes,
that is what I hope
yes, sir.
from you. And how many mock tests did you give?
Okay, so I have given around 50 mock tests.
50 mock tests, 50.
Yes, sir.
That's a huge
Yes, sir,
number.
50.
And what was
Yes.
your strategy to analyze the mocks?
Okay, so sir, firstly, I would go through the all the questions and the video solutions that were provided in the test series. I would go through that, and then after like 2 3 days, I would like, again solve those questions because on that day, I have seen the video, so I'm sure that I'll be able to solve it. But after 2 3 days, I attempted that those questions again.
Okay.
That was my strategy.
So basically, it would also help you in revising the concepts, revising the questions,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and getting a hold of. So you were solving all the questions of the mock?
No, sir. Those questions in which I fumbled or I solved incorrect or I just left those questions because there were some areas I know these are my weak areas. So I was more focused on my strong areas.
Okay, okay, fine. So if you have to review MindWorks based on the support which you have got from our team, how will you rate us?
So I would say 10 out of 10 because from the starting, from the live lectures to the core videos, and even during my interviews, from writing SOPs to mock interviews, MindWorks have helped me a lot. And I would surely rate it 10 out of 10.
Glad to hear that. Very happy that we have been a
Yes,
part
sir.
of your journey. So,
Yes, sir.
one final question. If you have to give two, three tips for people who are starting their preparation now, what will you tell them? How should they start and what should they keep in mind throughout the journey?
Okay, so I would say that don't get scared of firstly don't get scared of committing to this exam because at first I was a little bit scared. What if I not be able to perform well? My whole year get wasted. These questions came into my mind. So don't get scared at all. If you want to give it, then give your 100%, right? And during your preparation, build your basics first because they are help you getting better and better. Not just focus on tips and tricks, but start building your basics. And once you have done that, please give mock test because a lot of people are afraid of giving mocks. But when they score less, they get demotivated. It's okay. It's a part of the journey. Don't get scared of giving the mock test. Give them on daily basis, and it will surely help you in the final exam.
Great, great, great. Okay, one question I missed is since it's a marathon, the CAT trip journey is 7, 8, 9 months long, and there are many ups and downs which keep on happening. After a mock, you might feel demotivated. After a tough advanced class of, say, number system, you might feel that you're not able to solve questions. So, how did you keep yourself motivated in this journey?
Okay, so for me, I was at staying at my home, and all my friends were doing jobs. So seeing them, they were posting stories on social media and everything. Seeing them, it demotivated me a lot. But my parents were here for me, and even my pet. I used to say things to him, and he just look at me with his cute eyes. So my parents and my pet dog, they helped me a lot during this journey. And for motivation, I have also kept my phone's wallpaper IIM pictures. So I was fully committed to this exam, and I knew that I am doing it, and I'll be able to do it.
Right. So, basically, self belief and then sticking to your goal, sticking to what you want to
Yes, sir.
achieve. That is a mantra.
Yes, sir.
So thank you, Umang. Thanks for guiding the current students, and I hope you will do well in your IIM Bangalore journey also. Best wishes, and feel free to reach out to us in case you have any queries in
So,
future.
okay, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. All the best.